Okay, the next important chemical property is nucleophilic substitution reactions. See, in the chemical properties of haloalkanes, nucleophilic substitution reactions are very important. Okay, the first one is, these are two types, unimolecular, this is SN1, and bimolecular, that is SN2. So, unimolecular SN1, bimolecular SN2, these are the two types of nucleophilic substitution reactions. Let's begin the topic with unimolecular SN1. See, when tertiary alkyl halides, okay, tertiary alkyl halides, tertiary alkyl halides treated with aqueous KOH, to form tertiary alcohols. What they form? They form tertiary alcohols. They form tertiary alcohols. So, in unimolecular nucleophilic substitution reactions, when tertiary 3 methyl groups are present to the carbon, tertiary alkyl halides treated with aqueous KOH to form tertiary alcohols. So, these unimolecular reactions are follow first order kinetics. That means the rate of the reaction depends upon the concentration of this tertiary alkyl halide. So, the rate of reaction depends upon only this tertiary alkyl halide. So, let's see with the mechanism. I will draw here. Let's see with the mechanism. CH3, CH3, CH3. This is tertiary alkyl halide treated with alcoholic KOH to form tertiary alcohols. This is tertiary alcohol and KX is removed. So let's see the mechanism. In mechanism, the first step is a slow step. The first step, that is a slow step, and that is a rate determining step. Rate determining step. So see, in the first step, tertiary carbocation and the bromide ion also formed when taken with bromine. KBr. Taken with bromine. In this place of halogen, I have taken the halogen, that is bromine. See, CH3, 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 Br, slow step, and this is reversible also. The step that is reversible. Here carbocation, CH3, CH3, CH3 plus Br minus. So you have to remember the first step is slow step. So that is a rate determining step, and the step is reversible also. In the first step, carbocation, on the carbon positive charge is present, carbocation along with bromine ion is formed. And the second step, that is a fast process. The second step is a fast process. In the second step, the carbocation, to this carbocation, the nucleophile. What is the nucleophile here? OH negative. To this fast process, the nucleophile attached to the carbocation to form alcohols. So, these are the nucleophilic substitution. Why? Because the nucleophile is substituted. See, in place of bromine, After this bromine removes as bromine ion, the nucleophile that is OH, the nucleophile that is OH is substituted in place of bromine. So these are called nucleophilic substitution reactions. And this is one of the example of unimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction. When tertiary alkyl halides treated with alcoholic KOH, tertiary alcohols are formed. This occurs in two steps. The first step, that is slow step, and rate determining step, reversible step. Tertiary carbocation. What is this? Tertiary carbocation is formed along with bromine ion. The second step, that is a fast process. Here the attack of nucleophile takes place because this nucleophile attacks to this carbocation to form alcohols. And the next type of nucleophilic substitution reaction is bimolecular. The next type is bimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction. Bimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction. So let's take with an example. Alkyl halides treated with alcoholic KOH to form See, in bimolecular reactions, it follows second order kinetics. Second order kinetics means the rate of reaction depends upon both the concentration of alkyl halide and the concentration of KOH. I have already told you that in SN1 follow first order kinetics. That means the rate of reaction depends upon only the tertiary alkyl halide. But here it follows second order kinetics. That means the rate of reaction depends upon both the concentration of alkyl halide and the concentration of KOH. See, in first order reaction, the mechanism occurs in two steps. But in this, the mechanism occurs in single step. So mechanism occurs in single step, that is alkyl halides with alcoholic KOH. They form CH3 BrOH. This is called transition state. What is this called? Transition state. So, in this, the transition state is formed. That means the carbon that leaves the bromine, and on the other side, the nucleophile attached to the carbon. These both steps occur simultaneously. They form a state. The state is called transition state. Here, after this transition state, they form alcohols. What they form? CH3OH is formed, and along with K, Br is removed as a KBr. This step is occurred in only single step. So that is a nucleophilic, that is bimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction. In bimolecular, it follows second order reaction. When alkyl halides treated with alcoholic KOH, they form alcohols along with KBr is removed. Here the OH nucleophile attacks from backside. Where the nucleophile? The nucleophile attacks from backside of the carbon. Attacks from backside of the carbon. So this is one of the important chemical property of alkyl halides, that is nucleophilic substitution reactions. Thank you.